Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look on me. Now this is a look which you can wear on a wedding function or a wedding reception or a cocktail party or even any party actually. It's like this sultry brown smoky eye with a deep lip which I really like. It's not very complicated, it's actually quite easy to achieve. I've also shown you steps of how you can actually make your makeup last longer, because when you're attending a party you want your makeup to last longer and not really run off quickly. So yes, I have shared a few tips of how you can layer your products to make them last actually longer. I've also shared a few skincare tips where I tell you how to prep your skin whenever you're about to put makeup, when you have to attend a special event like a wedding or like a special party or a night out, because no matter how well you do your makeup, it's not going to look nice if you don't have a healthy and glowing base. So yeah, I have shared a few tips with you of how I prep my base whenever I have a special event or a night out to go to. So yeah, without further talking, let's get started. Now, before putting on makeup for a function like a wedding, a little bit of skin prep is always a good idea. Today, I'm using FEM Bleach in gold. Now, I know that the moment I use the term bleach, the first thing that comes to your mind is skin lightening, right? Wrong. Unlike other bleaches in the market which have ammonia, this one is probably the only one that is not about skin lightening but all about brightening and giving your skin that natural and healthy glow. Now Fem Bleach has a special formulation which is ammonia free and has some pretty good natural ingredients like turmeric, orange peel and saffron, which work on tan removal, giving an even tone to your skin while moisturizing it. The gold dust actually works wonders to achieve that beautiful glow on your skin. Now it's a great idea to achieve an instant glow, which I absolutely love, and especially when I'm going out for a special event like a wedding. Now I also use a lot of DIY homemade masks on my skin like the Upton, but if you're someone who's looking for a quick fix and don't have a lot of time, or if you're in a place where you cannot get your hands on these homemade products, like if you're in a hostel or if you're out on a vacation, then I think this is something that you can definitely try. I've tried Fem before also, and my skin always feels glowing and bright. Now let's start with the makeup. I'm starting with a BB cream. This one's from MAC. Now it's always a good idea to kind of layer your base, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm using something light like a BB cream. Now this is going to not only just give me an extra glow, but also going to add as giving me extra coverage that you always need whenever you're doing makeup for a special event or if you're doing like a wedding makeup. So yeah, that's why I'm layering my foundation first with BB cream, and then on top of it I am using this Hellow Flawless foundation from Benefit. Now this one has medium to light coverage. You can always, it's buildable, you can always add more. It's very natural and glowing. And then I'm also using this MAC palette in the shade medium. I usually mix these two colors. I'm putting them under my eyes and wherever I feel I need to kind of add a little more coverage, a little more glow, a little more basically trying to lift whatever areas with the help of a concealer. And then I'm going to use this loose powder from Cover FX to kind of make my makeup last even longer, because this is going to make my makeup bulletproof. I'm putting it under the eyes, under my jaw, and everywhere where I want my makeup, like I said, to kind of not run out and kind of stay longer. This is also called baking. And I'm also putting some more powder under the eye, so that if there's a fallout when I'm doing my eye makeup, I can easily kind of knock it off. Then I'm going to do my brows just the way I do it regularly with this product from Benefit. It's called Eyebrow. It's really handy because it comes with a really tiny brush and it's very convenient to use, and I love the color because it absolutely matches my eyebrows. And then moving on to the eyes, I'm using the 24 karat Nudes palette from Maybelline. I absolutely love the palette. I'm using this brown color. It's a shimmery brown color. I'm using it all over the eye. Now I'm going for a brown smoky eye, and whenever I always try to do a neutral eye so that it kind of works with every outfit and I don't have to worry about what to wear. So yeah, this is what I'm going for. I'm going for a very soft and glamorous smoky eye, and I'm putting this light brown color. It has a little bit of shimmer all over the eye, and I'm also kind of blending it while I'm putting it. And then I'm adding a little more definition to the eye with a darker brown color, mostly in the outer corner. I'm doing the same thing under the eye, whatever I've done on my eye. And then for the fun part, I'm adding this MAC pigment, which is in the color Melon. I'm only putting it on the lid of the eye so that it kind of lifts my eye and kind of makes my eye pop. I really like it. I really like the effect. And then of course I'm blending it with the same blending brush so that it kind of looks even, basically just making sure that both the eyes look even. And then I'm going to finish off with this MAC eyeliner. I really like this because it's really pigmented and it also stays a really long time. It's probably one of the only eyeliners I've used which really stay long and don't really run out. And then I'm using these MAC eyelashes because eyelashes make the look all the more glamorous and they're going to make my eyes look more beautiful. Now I don't usually put lashes, but I thought why not, because it's a wedding makeup and I think it's good to go all out sometimes, right? Then topping it off with some mascara. And then moving on to the face, I am actually contouring my face with this contour stick from Benefit. Now this is cream contour and I'm going to put this under my jaw, under my cheekbones, on the nose, on the forehead. Now this is also an important step because I'm going to top it then with a powder contour. Now this is going to make my contour not only last longer, but it's also going to make it more defined. I'm actually using the same color that I used on my eyes for the contour. With a pointed brush, I am putting it under my cheekbones, on the jaw, basically on all the areas where I had earlier put the cream contour. This also has a little bit of shimmer in it, which I think kind of goes with the look because it makes it all the more glamorous and more glowy. And then with a sponge, I'm cleaning the contour so that it doesn't look muddy and so that it doesn't really drag down too low. I like to do this step because it makes the contour look more cleaner. Then adding a little bit of blush. This is also a neutral color. It's called Peechykeen from MAC. This goes with a lot of my makeup looks. And also then I'm using a cream highlight. This one's called Hush. It's a cream color base from MAC. It's one of my favorite things always. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put this and then I'm going to top it up with a powder highlight, and I'm using the same color that I used under my brows from the palette as a highlighter. I love using different things for different purposes because makeup is all about having fun, and also using similar colors on your eyes and on your face kind of ties the whole look together and makes it look more even and more harmonious, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Besides, I really like the color and I really like the way it turned out. Putting it on my cheekbones, over my brow, and basically all the areas where I like to highlight. And then I'm using this retro matte lip color from MAC. It's called Carnivorous. Now this is also a liquid lip, so it's going to stay longer. And then of course I'm using a pencil. It's called Auburn. It matches the lip color perfectly. So yeah, this is it for the look. I think it looks really glamorous, and also because it's neutral, it can be paired with any outfit really. The eyes look really beautiful because of the lashes, and because of the deep lip it looks more glamorous and more night out appropriate. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video here. Do not forget to share this video, and if you have anything to say about this video, please put your comments in the comment section below. I love reading your comments and your feedbacks, and also do let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to create a day wedding makeup look. I'd love to do that for you guys as well. That's all I have to say, except I love you all, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.